wait. If you're about to scroll and you still don't have your first 100,000 views, this is for you. You've posted, you've deleted it, you've re-uploaded the same video with a better hook. You've stared at 9.7 thousand views like it personally betrayed you. So listen, if you still don't have your first 100,000, use this sound. Not because I'm promising magic. Not because I'm saying this will go viral, but because this sound is landing on the feeds of people who actually stay. And if someone stays, the algorithm wakes up. That's it. That's the game. No fake guru advice. No post 3 times a day. Just one clean video, one strong hook, and this sound doing its thing. So don't overthink it. Use the sound. Post the video. And when you finally see that number flip to 100,000, come back and tell me I was wrong. Like, comment, or subscribe if you're still chasing it, because I know exactly where you're at.